Hey guys, it's Mr. Haddock again. I'm back with a video to show you how to easily convert um, within the metric system just by moving a decimal place or the decimal point. So remember, if you remember our mnemonic, which I wrote across the top, king is kilo, Henry is hecto, died is deca. Sorry, let me fix that there. Deca, D-E-C-A. By is our base unit. This could be liters, grams, or meters. Drinking is deci, D-E-C-I. Chocolate is centi. And milk stands for milli. Now, when we are doing this, this would represent 1. This would represent 10, 100, and 1000. And then the reverse goes for this. So this one would represent 0.1, 0.01, and then 0.001. So what you'll see is that it's literally moving the decimal place to the right or to the left, depending on what you are doing. So let's go to the next slide. Let's say that we are going to convert 150 centimeters to meters. In order to do this, our decimal point is right here. If we are converting from centimeters to meters, we would go back and we see that centimeters is here. And in order to get to meters, we would jump 1, 2, and we went to the left. So what we are going to do is we are going to do the exact same thing over here. We are going to go 1, 2 places, and so our answer would actually be 1.5 meters. Now let's say that we have, let's do 1,260. We'll do milliliters, and we want to convert that to liters. We're going to do the exact same thing. Our decimal point is right there. We're going to go back to our little mnemonic, and I'm actually going to erase what we did here. We start off at the milliliters mark right here, and we need to get to liters. So we need to hop 1, 2, 3 places to get to liters. So if we go back here, we would do the exact same thing. We would hop once, twice, 3 times to the left, and we would end up with 1.260 liters. Now, what about if we are going the opposite direction? So let's start off with kilometers. We'll say that we have 0.56 kilometers, and we want to convert that to we'll do millimeters. We'll do something out of the ordinary. So we're going from kilometers to millimeters. So what we would do is we would start at kilometers, and I'm going to erase this really quickly. We would start at our unit that we were given, which is kilometers, and we would go to the right until we hit the millimeters. So we start here and we jump once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. And which direction did we move the decimal point? We were jumping to the right. So when we go back, we are going to, and I'm going to erase kilometers and move it down a little bit. And you'll see in a second why I did that. We're going to go 6 times to the right. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Now you're like, Mr. Haddock, there is no, what do we do when there's empty space like that? Well, the simple answer is you add in zeros. So now our answer ends up being 560,000 milliliters is equal to 0.56 kilometers. Okay, let's do one more example and let's go from kilometers, or we will do kilograms. Let's do kilograms because that one's different. Okay, so we're going to say that we have, we'll say that we have 2.5 kilograms, and we want to convert that to just grams. Now, let's go back to our little table here, or a little chart, and I'm going to erase very quickly. And since we are going from kilograms to grams, we start at kilograms and we go once, twice, 3 times to the right in order to get to grams. So let's do the exact same thing. And I'm going to erase kilograms again so we have our space. Write it down below. Once, twice, 3 times. And we add in our zeros and we end up with an answer of 2,500 grams is equal to 2.5 kilograms. Let's see if you can do one really quickly. What I want you to do is I want you to convert 570 grams into kilograms. If what you did was you went back to the table and you said, I'm starting at grams, I'm starting at grams here and I'm going to kilograms. I'm going to go once, twice, 3 times to the left. You would end up with, here's the decimal points, once, twice, 3 times, and you would end up with the answer 0.575 kilograms. I hope that this video does a good job of explaining how to convert units in the metric system. The easiest way to do this is on a piece of paper, actually writing out King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, and knowing that this is grams, liters, or meters, then being able to go to the left or the right in your conversions. And the nice thing about the metric system is only having to move the decimal point, no math involved. So what I want you to do now is I want you to try and practice on your own. There's an assignment in the Canvas for you to try converting metric systems. You may use your notes and ask questions as needed. Good luck!